Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day look and I'm going to be bringing back the old baby. I feel like how can you have Valentine's Day if you don't have this? I also might be trying out you know, the Morphe things that I got in a haul a few weeks ago. This is the Morphe and it's in the shade Bronze, so I might try this. I don't know if it's very Valentine's Day, so I might just leave it out. Or I just might do a whole completely different video of like testing out these three things. But I'm super excited. These are all like super pretty shades and I've never filmed a Valentine's Day look on my channel before. So let's get right into it. So I obviously have all my base done and my brows done, so I'm just going to be starting off. I'm just going to be doing my eyes. I also have my lipstick on because I really love this shade. I've only recently found it and I've like fell in love with it all over again. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with burnt orange. So this is this shade right here and I'm just going to be plopping that all over on my crease, just all over my lid basically. I forgot, like, I haven't used this palette just because I've got like loads of other new palettes. Like, I've got loads of other new palettes like the Morphe Dare to Create, and I also got the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then with like Christmas coming around, I got some new makeup as well. But I didn't get any like new palettes and stuff, but like, you know, so I got new makeup. So I've been like using all of them and I haven't like I've like forgotten about this one basically until today. So I'm super excited. So I'm then gonna be going in with the shade, not even gonna try and pronounce this shade right here, just to like stop making it so orange. And then I'm gonna go in with Love Letter. I've already made a mistake right there. It's crazy foggy out today. Like, you can't even like see outside my window. It's absolutely crazy. So the next thing I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right here with my finger. And I'm gonna like pop it right in like my inner corner. This is such a beautiful shade. It's so creamy and everything, like it's just such a cute shade. That looks so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, then I'm just gonna like get the mauve-y kind of shade and I'm gonna run it underneath again. I feel like having the perfect base and having like a lipstick but then leaving your eyes like no lashes or whatever, it will be perfect for like a date look. Because if you're going on a date and you have like gigantic lashes, you have like sharp contour, you have like, you know, full glam, I feel like it's a little bit off-putting for the guy. So today I've done like a little bronze. I've just used the Hoola. I have a foundation that matches perfectly to my skin tone and I've just bronzed it up, used a tiny bit of blush to help like make myself look natural, and I look made up because of the lipstick. So I feel like matching the lipstick with like a lighter shade of eyeshadow, what I've done now, gives like the perfect vibe. And I'm just going to be putting on mascara so like it doesn't scare him off with like false lashes or whatever. And then I'm just going to be done. I have a tiny bit of highlight as well on my nose and stuff, just to give myself like a healthy glow and stuff. and then I have my eyebrows done as well. But I feel like that's all I'm gonna be doing on my